Hi, and welcome to Pedalheads. In this video, we will go over how to easily search, explore, and successfully register for a Pedalheads program. Starting on the homepage, we'll click Find a Program. Enter your province or state, the city that you reside in, and there's an option to add the age of your child. From here, you can simply hit Search, and program options will automatically populate. To refine your search, you can hit the Additional Filters button and add activities, the date range, the times that you prefer, or your child's level for bike, swim, or trail. After adding additional filters, hit the Search button. From here, you can explore the programs and explore more details by clicking the See Levels. Another way to search programs on our website is to toggle onto the My Location button. Once you toggle, your location will automatically be populated onto the website. You can add additional filters and hit Show Results. Scroll down to see all of the locations that are surrounding you. You are located at this orange dot here. You can select as many locations as you like and add that location to your filter to help refine your search. Once you've added the locations that you'd like to see, click the Show Results button. Now you'll see all of the options near you. You can continue to refine your search using the Additional Filters button. Once you've found the program that you'd like to register for, you can click the See Levels button. From here, you can explore all the different levels that are offered, as well as the time of the program, the price per child. You also have the option to add additional participants in one transaction. When you add to cart, you have the option to go to your cart or simply close the pop-up so that you can continue to explore our programs. If you're ready to check out, simply hit Go to Cart. Here, you can easily adjust the number of participants that you'd like to register for. Hit Update Cart. From there, you can hit the Checkout button and register and pay in 3 easy steps. First, you're going to select the child that you'd like to register for the program. You can also add another child to your account, and then you'll be prompted to update and review your account details. To complete your payment, please ensure that you've read and checked off the boxes for both the cancellation policy and the liability waiver. After completing your payment, you will receive 2 emails, one of your order summary, which acts as your receipt, and another of your confirmation details. That's it. Thanks for biking, swimming, and trail riding with us here at Pedalheads.